The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp business. Navigate to Tools. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and navigate to AI Agent. So go ahead and click on that. Now you are here. Get an AI agent that helps customer 24/7. Save time with an AI agent that answer chat while you work or sleep right here in your WhatsApp business. Go ahead and click on Create AI Agent to get started. Verify your identity. Setting up your AI. Success. Your new AI agent has been created and may start reply to chat. So here, use past chat to show your AI how you answer question. You can use your past chat, which is recommended, or better still, ignore past chat. It may take longer for AI to learn how to respond to customer. Go ahead and click on the second options right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on Meet Your AI Agent. Now you are done setting up your agent. I'm your AI agent. Thinking of me? So right here, I am your AI agent. Thinking of me as a new helper. You can teach me how to handle customer chat while you focus on your business. First, I need to learn a bit about how you work so I can start helping. I will reply within 15 minutes, just like so. You can read the details right here. Now you need to make sure you set up all your details about your business in your WhatsApp account. Then from here, you can easily teach your AI how they can attend to customer. It looks like you have a multiple catalog. You can simply go ahead and click on select catalog right here. Select your product based on how you want the AI to reply or to respond to your customer, and at the same time work on whatever link that you have added to your WhatsApp account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about WhatsApp topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.